Oliver Sloup joins us now. He's with Blue Line Futures. He's located in Chicago. And just kind of a give and take day here in the grain commodity markets after a bit of a rebound earlier in the week on corn and soybeans, at least. So I don't know if you can read a whole lot into this. Yesterday seemed to be full of rumors, and now today seems to be the day after.
Yeah, falling a little flat, and I think the positive tone that we've seen really since Tuesday's reversal started to shift the sentiment a little bit, get people a little bit optimistic. But I think looking at Tuesday's reversal, that was really just kind of setting the stage for, I think, what was an overdue relief rally. On top of that, we do have May options that expire tomorrow at the close, and that looks to be a little bit of supportive to the market. There's a lot of open interest in the puts and calls above the market, and generally that can act as a little bit of a magnet for prices. So we wouldn't be surprised to see some additional upward momentum into the weekend. But I think, in large part, these rallies, specifically in corn, are likely to get sold into by the producer and speculative funds. We obviously know there's a big dent in demand with regards to ethanol. We know that we're staring down potentially 97 million acres, and we've got a good planting window, sitting right in front of us. And I think last year, weather concerns, the very wet spring, really set a precedent. We were able to turn out a halfway decent crop, and so I think we're not going to get that weather premium that we've historically seen around this time of year really kick things off.
Have the farmer sales pretty well dried up at this point now that they're getting into the fields?
Yeah, it has a little bit, but I suspect if we get a little bit more follow through on this relief rally via some short covering, I think some producers may be looking to take advantage of that. I mean, heck, we've traded as much as about 20 cents off the lows from Tuesday, so you might see some guys saying, "Hey, I was 2 days ago. I said I wanted to be a seller at these prices if we were to get back. Well, now that we're here, and maybe we get a little bit higher, I think you're going to start to see some people be a little bit more proactive this time around."